All right, y'all, so yeah, I had to wait for this 22 millimeter hex key, pain in the butt, but I had to get it. So I got the torque wrench, I was able to get it loose. We're gonna loosen this out a little bit here, guys, and then I'll start cranking up on these ratchet straps here in a minute. So I will get this into position where I want, and then I'll crank it up. I will fully remove the brake calipers from the rotor, and we should be all set getting the new tire on there, and you'll see that here in a minute. All right, so we got the axle in, we got it through the other side, we got the silver seal caps from the old rim put onto the new rim. Almost forgot. Now we can just tighten this puppy down. So, and once this front rim is on, then I will torque it to spec. I will let you know what that spec is. Then we can tie down our 2 fork bolts here, and then we can put our brake calipers back onto the brake rotors. And now we are all done. We got the front rim installed. Wasn't too bad of a job. Cleaned the brakes up a little bit and rotated the wheel, make sure everything was free and clear, no abnormal sounds. And that's it, guys, for the wheel install.